Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I was looking at some cars here at this dealership lot, and I see this here. Is it beautiful? Is it ugly? I leave that up to you. But look at this. It's the new electric Chevy Silverado. And guess what it reminds me of? It reminds me of the Chevy Avalanche. Chevy Avalanche, or its Cadillac brother, that they built for a while, for only a couple of years, because it was a flop. Nobody wanted to buy them. This reminds me of it. It really does. So as for electric trucks, you have the Ford Lightning, you have the Cybertruck, you have this here, and you have a Rivian. I'm not sure if I like this one here, to be very honest. Cybertruck, too expensive for me, a little bit too weird. The Ford Lightning, the range is not very good, you know, and the technology is not very good, but I like the looks. So the Rivian would be the one I would go with, not this. So Chevy Silverado electric, here you have it. Looks like a Chevy Avalanche to me. Let's see the price. 74,000. 74,000. It has two smaller screens in there. Kind of interesting. Yeah, interesting vehicle. Anyways, just wanted to share this real quick with you. Have fun, watch my channel, subscribe, like, and I'll see you back soon. Thanks for watching.